Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about protolepidodendron. Protolepidodendron is a fossil pteridophyte. Yesterday we have discussed about lepidodendron, a fossil pteridophyte that looks similar to isoids in its anatomy and morphology. Let's discuss in detail what protolepidodendron actually is. The genus Protolepidodendron were found to flourish during the Middle and Lower Devonian period, or it is found from the fossils of the Middle and Lower Devonian period. One species identified from this genus Protolepidodendron is Protolepidodendron saccharianum. And let's discuss the habit of Protolepidodendron in detail. Morphology of Protolepidodendron is similar to Lycopodium. It is a herbaceous plant. Yesterday we have discussed about lepidodendron, that is a arborescent lycopod or a tree-like lycopod. Unlike the lepidodendron, the protolepidodendron is a herbaceous species. Similar to lycopodium, it has a postrate axis like this, and from this postrate axis there arises the erect branches. These erect branches are dichotomously branched. The dichotomy may be 1 or 2, and both the postrate axis and the erect axis bears small thorny leaves, and these leaves also bifurcate at their apexes. In Lycopodium, the leaves doesn't have this bifurcation. Here, these leaves of protolepidodendron gets bifurcated at their apex. Unlike the lepidodendron we have discussed yesterday, the leaves lack a ligule. In isoids and selaginella and also in lepidodendron we have found a ligule presence. In Lycopodium there is the absence of ligule. So, similar to the Lycopodium, the protolepidodendron also lacks the ligule. And the erect branches also bear sporophylls. The appearance of sporophylls are similar to the appearance of the sterile leaves, and also they also have bifurcation at their apex. And each sporophyll consists of a single sporangia that bond adaxially. Coming to the anatomy of protolepidodendron, the stem consists of a protostelic stele, that is the central xylem core surrounded by phloem, and this xylem core has 3 radiating ribs or triradiate in appearance, or the xylem can be called as triradiate, and the cortex is parenchymatous in nature. And the leaf traces were also found, and these leaf traces were not continuous. There is no secondary vascular tissues. Even though there is no secondary vascular tissues, however, the protolepidodendron have peridium. That is, it has a phelogen or the core cambium that produce peridium. The most important question from this genus is the habit of lepidodendron. You have to study